Alright guys, so if you're an introvert or someone that don't really feel comfortable, being in front of the camera, but you want to make money passively online, I'm going to share with you 7 passive income ideas that you can actually leverage on to start making money as a total beginner. And the best part is everything I'm going to share with you here, you can get started doing for free. You don't need to pay any money upfront. Now, a lot of you don't really know I'm also an introvert myself, and I must tell you, it was really very difficult for me, breaking free and having to show my face. It was one of the most challenging things that I have to do. But right now I'm a bit comfortable and I can face the camera, and I know a lot of people are not really like me, so that is why I'm making this video. So if you're someone like that, please make sure to stick to the end. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a website that can allow you to get any AI tool, like any model of AI tool, maybe ChatGPT 5.0 for free without having to pay anything. So let's get started. Now, before we get started, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, for the past 3 years, I've been working from home as a UX designer where I design websites and apps. And on this channel, I share everything I know about remote jobs, job opportunities, passive income, and online business ideas. So you know where exactly to get started. Now, that being said, the first passive income idea I would love to share with you as an introvert is to create faceless content. This way you don't have to show your face. And the best part is there are lots of AI tools out there that can actually allow you to get started doing this job as a total beginner from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is just to learn more about it and get started doing it. Now, there are tools like Ideogram or Leonardo.ai where you can actually get images that you can use to create your content, and then you can turn them to videos. There are other AI tools that you can actually use to turn them to videos, and of course you can use 11 Labs to create your voiceover. Use CapCut to edit your videos. Now, you can learn this in details by going to YouTube to look for tutorials about how to create faceless content as a total beginner, and you're going to see a lot of videos that you can learn from, and then you can start creating content. Now, the best part is content creation pays you a lot. You can post your content on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, or TikTok, and you're going to be earning a lot of money by the time you start getting a lot of visitors, people subscribing to your channel, and people engaging and watching your content. So that way you're going to be making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis doing that. Now, the best part is you're going to also be grooming a group of audience that will be loyal to you. So if that is what you want to do, kindly check it out and get started doing that immediately. Now, the second passive income would be creating digital products. Now, there are lots of digital products you can create, things like planners, printables, there are journals, and so many other things that you can create that you can sell on any platform of your choice. Now, there are free platforms that allows you to sell all these digital products for free. Places like Seller for people in Africa, there is Payhip that can also allow you to host and sell your digital products for free, and that way you're going to be making money doing that. So that is the reason why I mentioned the faceless content as number one, because by the time you have pool of audience, then you know who you're going to be selling your digital products to. You also know what to create. That way you know that you have people that are going to buy from you once you have created it. Now, the third passive income idea will be blogging. Now, there are lots of websites that allows you to blog for free. You can create your own blog for free, and then you can start making money doing so. There is also Google site that allows you to create a free blog, free hosting and everything. You don't need to pay anything for it, and then you can start writing your blogs. And the best part is there are lots of tools like Grammarly, there's ChatGPT that can allow you to create an article and write and have people come and read, and by the time they engage, you make money. And you can also make money using blogging. When you do affiliate marketing programs, you can incorporate your affiliate links and people will come and then they buy and you earn commissions by doing so. So that is how you can make money by blogging online as a beginner. And you can also use websites like Framer. You can create your blog with Framer and then you can start posting. So Framer has a free version that can allow you to create websites for free, so you can get started doing that as well. Now, the third one we want to talk about is print on demand. This is basically where you create designs and then you can upload them on websites where they can be pasted on clothes like t-shirts. You can have them on your mugs, on handbags, or anything at all that they can imprint them on. And it's a total beginner. There are platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, where you can actually start uploading your design, and you can create your design using Canva. You can use Canva and create something there. You can also use AI tool like Ideogram and Leonardo.ai to get good quality pictures that you can also use as your design that can be imprinted on any of those items that you may want to sell. You can get started doing that. And to learn more as well, you can go to YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials that people have created on how to get started on Redbubble or on Teespring, or how to get started doing print on demand generally as a beginner. So you can learn more about how to do this, and then you can start earning money doing that. Now, the fourth one we want to talk about would be selling courses. Now, if you're an introvert and you have a lot of knowledge to share, then you can put them together in a course and sell them. Now, that is why content is key. By the time you have a pool of people that are always consuming your content, they want to have more, they want to know more, and because it is more, you can put a price tag on it in the form of course, and you can sell it to people. That way they have known you, and you have known people you're going to be selling to, so you know exactly what to talk about in the course you're going to be creating. So as an introvert, you can create a course and then host them on platforms that allow you, like Seller. You can host a course on Seller, and then you can post them, and people will buy your course and you earn money doing so. So if you want to learn how to create courses and how all these things work, there are a lot of tutorials as well on YouTube. Remember, everything I'm going to be mentioning is free, so you don't need to spend money trying to learn how to create a course. So YouTube is a free platform that allows you to learn anything you want to learn about for free. So you might want to check out YouTube and learn more about course creation. Now, I have 2 more to go, but before we go ahead with that, if you're seeing value so far in this video, please take a time and like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one or the other. We really appreciate you all. And if you're looking to make job applications soon, I've created a 12-in-1 job application bundle that allows you to have a seamless process, from process of looking for job to preparing for interview. It has ATS optimized templates that you can use to make your resume, your cover letter, or everything. For each job, it is tailored, so you can have a tailored application once you have seen any job opening, and you can stand a better chance by so doing. So you might want to check that out. Grab a copy with the link in the description below. And if you want to get started with Canva, I have a link to Canva in the description below, so you might want to check it out. So moving on, if you're someone who enjoys photography, or you have the knowledge about photography, you like filming, you like taking pictures, you can actually do this and earn money as an introvert by just taking pictures of your environment and posting. You can sell your picture on a platform called Foab. That is a place where you can actually sell pictures, or you can use Shutterstock or iStock or Adobe Stock, where you can upload these pictures, and when people use them, you earn royalties by doing so. So this is a place where you can actually upload some of these things, and you can start making money from the comfort of your home as a total beginner. Now, another thing you may want to consider as passive income that you may want to do is writing on Medium and self-publishing. Now, Medium is a platform that is more like YouTube, but the only difference is that you don't need to post videos. It's just text, and you can actually start making money on Medium by the time you get to a particular threshold and you gather a lot of people as well, that you can start making money on Medium. So you can be writing anything that comes to mind. The best part is you have a lot of tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT that can help you with writing. And of course, you can actually make money aside from the money you get paid on Medium. You can make money by using your affiliate link as well to make money. And so you have to be publishing things that are engaging and what people are looking for, and then you can start making money by doing so. Now, you can self-publish on places like Amazon. Now, Amazon is a free platform where you can publish your books, your ebooks, or anything at all you have, and you can start making money by the time people buy. The best part is Amazon has millions of visitors every month. That means you stand a better chance of getting your item spot if you're able to do something that is different, that is unique, and that is appealing to your audience. So you might want to check it out and start publishing on Amazon to start making money from the comfort of your home. So like I promised, I'm going to share with you a platform or a website where you can access the latest ChatGPT model or any other model like DeepSeek or Gemini for free. I don't know if this is legal, but you can actually access this models for free. So all you have to do is to come to this platform. You go to Google and you're going to search for lmarena.ai. Now, once you have seen it, you're going to open the interface. This is actually what the interface looks like. Then you're going to come here and you choose direct chat. Now here you're going to see different models, like you can see Gemini 2.5 Pro, you can see Cloud Opus, you can see ChatGPT 5 High, you can see ChatGPT 4.0 latest. You can see a lot of AI tools, the latest models, that even Grok that you can actually use to get the latest information you want. So you don't really need to pay money for this. So you can just use it and access whatever you want to access. Maybe if you want to create an ebook, you can use ChatGPT by going here. So I just wrote create an ebook for me teaching children good morals. So you're going to ask it to generate and you agree to the terms. So as you can see, it has created a lot, like the stories and everything you need. So you can just use this and use it to create your ebook if you're making ebook for children. So I hope this helps you. So please let me know the side hustle you might want to consider as an introvert in the comments, and please let me know where you're also watching from so I can make tailored video to your location. And if you've seen value so far, please don't fail to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for remote jobs and other things, you might want to check out this video showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.